In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps of adding text, formatting for headings, and titles on your site. So a couple ways to add text is you need to add it to a text box. So on the right side, under the Insert tab, you have the option for text box. You can just click on text box, and you'll have a text box up here. The other way to add a text box is any place where there's blank white space, just double click. You'll get this circle, and then right in the middle where the two T's are, that will also add a text box into your page. So now you can see I have two text boxes here, and I can just click and edit and add text. If you want to delete a text box, you come over here to the left, you click on the trash can that deletes it. This button will duplicate the text box, and then you can also select a background color for that text box. But right now, I'm just going to delete it so we have one text box. So I'm going to click on inside the box, and I'm going to type. So you do have some formatting here that you can do with your text. So you're going to highlight your text, click and drag and highlight. Right now, this is normal text. You can change it to title formatting, heading, subheading, and small. You can also change the font now. If you don't like any of these fonts that are listed below, these would be the same fonts listed that you would find in your Google Docs if you click on the font. You could go to More Fonts, which opens up the font library from Google, and you have all of these different fonts to choose from. You can sort by different types. You can sort by popularity, alphabetically, that sort of thing. And the My Fonts list, you can pick, if you're not using a certain font a lot, you can take it off, and then you can also add. So like on this case, this Baloo font, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I'm going to insert the Open Sans font. It puts it in alphabetical order on this side. So you'll see if I scroll down, I should have Open Sans right there. And if I click OK, then on my list here, if I scroll down, I should have Open Sans right here, and then all the options there. So I can change the font, and you can customize that font list. Now this font list, again, will also carry over to your Google Docs, your slides, everything else. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to, we're going to just change it to Open Sans normal. Font size, the default's going to be at 11, but you can change the font size, bold, italicize, underline. Font color is something new that they've added, so you could change the font color. You have alignment buttons. You have a link where you can add a hyperlink to text. You can also add a bulleted list, a numbered list or a bulleted list. And if you don't like what's in there, you can remove it. And then under More are things like line spacing. So you can have double space, space and a half, indentions, strike through tool. And you can also clear formatting. If you copy something from a website and paste it in, you can clear the formatting so it matches your website. So that is how to add text and how to format the text inside a text box.